Learn Hindi environmental vocabulary, environmental pollution too.
नवीकरणीय ऊर्जा.
Welcome to Green Hindi. Hey, you are about to learn some powerful Hindi words about the environment, and yes, we will keep it useful, funny, and easy to remember. Think of this as a tiny eco-adventure with fewer mosquitoes and more vocabulary. Today you will learn how to say environmental pollution, climate protection, energy consumption, resource conservation, waste separation, recycling, CO2 emissions, and renewable energy in Hindi. Your key words are
पर्यावरण प्रदूषण, जलवायु संरक्षण, ऊर्जा खपत, संसाधन संरक्षण, कचरा पृथक्करण, पुनर्चक्रण, CO2 उत्सर्जन,
and.
नवीकरणीय ऊर्जा.
Say them once with confidence, even if your cat looks worried. The city of smoke and samosas. Let us drop you into a dramatic city scene. It smells like traffic, ambition, and one suspiciously heroic samosa stand. In the city, the air is dirty, the river looks unhappy, and even the pigeons seem offended. This is called
पर्यावरण प्रदूषण,
meaning environmental pollution. A student points at the gray sky and says, "We must reduce."
पर्यावरण प्रदूषण.
Quote. Nearby, a penguin wearing sunglasses fans itself and shouts, "Hello, can we also talk about?"
जलवायु संरक्षण.
I did not sign up for tropical weather. That phrase means climate protection. Planting trees, cleaner transport, and smarter choices all support.
जलवायु संरक्षण.
At home with the electric bill monster. Now imagine you open your monthly bill and hear spooky music. Congratulations, you have met household vocabulary. When lights, fans, chargers, and the mysterious device nobody remembers buying all stay on, your
ऊर्जा खपत.
goes up. That means energy consumption. Example, we should reduce.
ऊर्जा खपत.
At home. If you save water, switch off unused lights, and reuse things instead of wasting them, you are practicing.
संसाधन संरक्षण.
That means resource conservation. Think of it as protecting the planet's savings account. A grandparent says, "Who left 3 fans on in an empty room?" You whisper, "Not me, but you're rising."
ऊर्जा खपत.
Says otherwise. Time for
संसाधन संरक्षण.
the Great Bin Drama. This section features the most emotional characters in modern life, trash bins. Yes, they have opinions. In one kitchen, a banana peel tries to jump into the plastic bin. The paper bin gasps. The compost bin faints. This chaos ends with
कचरा पृथक्करण.
meaning waste separation. Waste separation helps.
पुनर्चक्रण.
Meaning recycling. Say it like this, at home we practice.
कचरा पृथक्करण.
And glass, paper, and plastic can go into
पुनर्चक्रण.
Quote. Easy memory trick.
कचरा.
Is trash and
पुनर्चक्रण.
is giving old stuff a second life. Cars, factories, and invisible trouble. Some problems are loud, smoky, and rude. Others are invisible but still cause trouble. This one is both. Cars and factories contribute to
CO2 उत्सर्जन.
which means CO2 emissions. You can imagine smoke rising from traffic while repeating.
CO2 उत्सर्जन.
Here is a simple line, we must reduce.
CO2 उत्सर्जन.
Quote. And why? Because lower emissions support.
जलवायु संरक्षण.
So if a bicycle suddenly thanks you in your imagination, do not worry. Your vocabulary is improving. The sunshine plot twist. Good news. This chapter is not just smoke and guilty lamps. Here comes the hopeful part. When power comes from the sun or wind, we call it
नवीकरणीय ऊर्जा.
or renewable energy. Solar power and wind power are forms of.
नवीकरणीय ऊर्जा.
This helps reduce
पर्यावरण प्रदूषण.
and
CO2 उत्सर्जन.
Imagine a smoky factory transforming into shiny solar panels. That bright mental picture can help you remember.
नवीकरणीय ऊर्जा.
Mini dialogue drill. Now you listen like a detective and repeat like a champion. Keep it playful. A. Why is the air so dirty? B. Because of.
पर्यावरण प्रदूषण.
A. What are the students discussing? B.
जलवायु संरक्षण.
A. Why is the bill high? B. R.
ऊर्जा खपत.
Increased. A. Why do you switch off extra lights? B. For.
संसाधन संरक्षण.
A. What are you doing with 2 bins? B.
कचरा पृथक्करण.
A. Where should this bottle go? B. In.
पुनर्चक्रण.
A. What should we reduce from traffic? B.
CO2 उत्सर्जन.
A. What is the future of clean power? B.
नवीकरणीय ऊर्जा.
Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a friendly quiz. If you miss one, the bins will not judge you. Probably. How do you say environmental pollution in Hindi?
पर्यावरण प्रदूषण.
How do you say climate protection?
जलवायु संरक्षण.
How do you say energy consumption?
ऊर्जा खपत.
How do you say resource conservation?
संसाधन संरक्षण.
How do you say waste separation?
कचरा पृथक्करण.
How do you say recycling?
पुनर्चक्रण.
How do you say CO2 emissions?
CO2 उत्सर्जन.
How do you say renewable energy?
नवीकरणीय ऊर्जा.
Your green challenge. Now make the words yours. Tiny actions plus tiny sentences work like magic. Today, try saying one sentence for each word. For example, cities must reduce.
पर्यावरण प्रदूषण.
Trees help.
जलवायु संरक्षण.
We should lower.
ऊर्जा खपत.
Saving water is.
संसाधन संरक्षण.
2 bins help.
कचरा पृथक्करण.
Paper goes to.
पुनर्चक्रण.
Cars increase.
CO2 उत्सर्जन.
Solar power is.
नवीकरणीय ऊर्जा.
Quote. If you can say all 8, you officially earn the imaginary title of Eco Vocabulary Wizard. Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work. You just learned serious vocabulary without falling asleep, which is honestly heroic. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these Hindi words out loud.
पर्यावरण प्रदूषण. जलवायु संरक्षण. ऊर्जा खपत. संसाधन संरक्षण. कचरा पृथक्करण. पुनर्चक्रण. CO2 उत्सर्जन.
And.
नवीकरणीय ऊर्जा.
Practice a little tomorrow, use the words in your own sentences, and let your Hindi grow greener every day.